Mining is the extraction of valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth, usually from an ore body, lode, vein, seam, reef, or placer deposit. Mining is required to obtain most materials that cannot be grown through agricultural processes or feasibly created artificially in a laboratory or factory. Ores recovered by mining include metals, coal, oil, shale, gemstone, limestone, chalk, dimension stone, rock salt, potash, gravel, and even clay. With all that materials that need to be mined, engineers made a heavy construction equipment to speed up the mining processes. With all that materials that need to be mined, engineers made a heavy construction unit to speed up the process. So hi, my name is Yusuf Fadillah, and I'm here about to tell you one of those heavy construction units. You know, excavator, the one used for digging in mining, and you know. So what I mean is, there's a lot of use for excavator to be used. First thing is mining, but there is some others used too. But we're gonna go into that later on. So for now, I'm gonna tell you what excavator made of. So the excavator consists of a boomer, dipper, and a bucket, and also a cap in the side of a boomer. All of this is connected into a rotating platform called the house. This house is connected to an undercarriage, but between undercarriage and the house is actually swing drive, so that the house, like I said before, can rotate. And this undercarriage can have a wheels or a track. Yes. For in-depth, let's take a look at this excavator that I found on the internet. I searched it on the GrabCAD, as you see over here. So as you can see over here, hold on a second, I'm gonna remove everything first. Ooh, this model is actually amazing though. Alright, here it is. Alright, so as you can see right here, this is the frame of the undercarriage. So swing drive gonna be put in here, that connects to the house above over here. And as you can see, I think this is the back side and this is the front side, meaning that this is a final drive wheel and this one is the idler wheel. What's the difference? Well, actually, in the front, the final drive wheels over here in the back side, it's gonna look like this. Hold on a second. See? Like that. It has some teeth. For what? I'm gonna show you later on. And for in the front is idler wheel. Why does it look like this? Well, just later on. Also, there has to be a roller over here though. I don't know why there's nothing in here. I mean, the model is a bit incomplete. Yeah, there's also roller drive over here, so that the hold on a second. Let's see over here, so that the track, this thing doesn't touch the chassis. Yeah, so this roll drives over here, roll drive over here, and then I think all of this is also all roller drive, but I don't know, it looks a bit, I don't know. As you can see on the back side, the final drive wheel, the teeth of final drive wheel can push the track to move. So if this final drive wheel gets powered, it spin. Then if this spin, that also means that the track is also spinning, because this teeth is pushing the track to move, while on the other side it's just so that the track is going to the right place. I mean, like front like this, so it can be larger. Alright, like I said before, the swing drive is over here, right? That is for the house, right over here. This one is the house. This one. Whoa. My PC kinda lag. What happened? Alright. As you can see right over here, this is the swing drive, and this one is the cab. Like I said before, this one is the boom, dipper or stick, and this one is the bucket. There should be an engine over here. Let's see. Well, we can't see it. Like I said, it's incomplete. This one, the cab, is for controlling the excavator. Whoa, what the hell? Why is it so lagging? And this one is the carry. I forgot about the name. Hold on a second. It's oh yeah, I forgot. This one is the counterweight. Yeah, now I remember. Why do excavator need a counterweight? Well, that's because of the arm over here. If this excavator doesn't have the carry, I mean like this, just imagine that there's a swing drive over here. This unit is just gonna look like this. Like this, because this arm is so heavy that the house can get lifted, the back side of the house, I mean right over here. Well, if that's why this excavator needs a carry. Oh, I forgot again the number. Needs a, I forgot what is it. Counterweight. Yes, needs a counterweight. Right. Oh yeah, and there is also a hydraulic over here, hydraulic over here, hydraulic over here. As you, for your information, this excavator is really heavy, like a ton. And if you know, the engine is really big. Well, I don't know if I can see it though. For the next part is no. So the next thing is so why do the excavator use hydraulic? Well, for that answer, we're gonna go to the next section. Why use the hydraulic pressure? Well, that's because hydraulics can multiple force hydraulic press that's in the excavator. It uses Pascal principle. What is Pascal principle? Well, if you apply small force to small piston, you'll generate a pressure. According to Pascal's law, pressure is the same everywhere in closed system, so the pressure will act on large piston on the other side too. On the excavator, there is a pump that pushes hydraulic fluid like engine oil into the hydraulic stick as pointed there. This is needed so that the hydraulic can work in this section. The hydraulic stick have two hydraulic pumps, one on the front side and one on the back side. This is needed so that the hydraulic stick can be pushed to expand or contract. So this is an excavator type of model. This is an excavator model and types that I found recently, and it's from Komatsu. It says PC200 10MOCE. It's with the spec of 138 horsepower net engine output, 1.0 meter cubes bucket capacity, 9,860 mm digging reach, 40.4 kilopascal, 0.41 kg per centimeter square ground pressure. So it doesn't damage the ground too much, because, and as I can see right here, it uses a track rather than a wheel for the other carriage. It's kind of the same like any other things though. Yeah, I think that's it. So, like I just said a couple minutes when the video started, is that there is other uses of this bad boy excavator. And that is digging, material handling, of course, to the dump truck, brush cutting with hydraulic saw and mower attachment, forestry work, forestry mulching, demolition with hydraulic claw cutter and brake attachment. Like I said, this thing is heavy. Mining especially, of course. River dredging, hydro excavation, driving piles, drilling shafts, and rock blasting bias of an auger or hydraulic drill attachment. Snow removal with snowplow and snowblower attachments, aircraft recycling, and surprisingly, helping people. No, not joke. So this is it. Thank you for watching my videos, and yeah, I think there's a lot of stuff that still need to be done, like the engine components or what materials that need to be used for excavator, kind of like that. But honestly, I'm doing this while I'm editing, but my PC is kind of like lagging right now and I can't make the video any longer, so I'm sorry for that, and I hope you like it. So that's all for me. Peace out.